In this video, I want to show you how I use AI agents in my business to get more clients, get more leads. And in this video, I want to show you how you can use AI agents to help you grow your business, to get more clients, to get more leads. And this is what I want to show you in this video. So in this video, I want to use the free AI agent software Agent Zero. So here you can see this is the dashboard. So this AI agent software is completely free. It's open source. Here is the GitHub page. So it's relatively easy to install this. I will put the link to this GitHub page in the video description down below. And also I have a dedicated video about how you can install this on your local machine, on your local computer. So I have this software running on my Raspberry Pi. So because this software can run day and night and can perform the specific task at any time. And so then here is the page, the GitHub page, and how you can install this is relatively easy. Like I said, I also have a dedicated video. I will put the video link also in the video description, or I try to put it somewhere up here that you can see how you install this. This is relatively easy. You can install this with Docker. You can use your Macintosh or your Mac, your Windows, your Linux computer for this, and here you can see all the good stuff this can do. But this is not the topic of this video. So when you installed Agent Zero, then it looks something like this. So I updated my Agent Zero platform. This is why my task list is almost empty. But I really like the Agent Zero platform because it is capable of doing almost every task, every job you give them. The good thing here is that this platform can access an own computer, can access an own Linux interface. So when you give them a specific task and your AI agents need to install new software or to build a custom program, then your AI agents are able to do this. You can also select the large language model you want to use. You can see you can use Anthropic, DeepSeek, Google Grok, Hugging Face, and OpenAI, all the major large language models you can integrate. You have also voice mode, all the good stuff. But so this is why I really like this platform. And then, let's get into this. So then let me show you how you can use the AI agents for helping your business grow and get more money at the end of the day. Okay, now let me show you what kind of prompt I use for my business. So I have here a raw version of the prompt. So this, let me show you this prompt. You can use this prompt. Of course, you have to optimize this prompt for your city, for your business, and how many leads do you want. And also you have to put in your email credentials, and so that the AI agents can then automatically send out the emails to the specific leads and businesses. But this is only the raw version. So here you can see, or let me read this here real quick. And also, if you want to have this prompt, you can screenshot it, or I will put the prompt in the video description down below. So then you can simply copy this. And of course, you have to, when you copy this, then you have to put in your city, or even you can translate the language from English into any other language, because Agent Zero can work with any language. If you speaking Spanish or German or English, then you can use the prompt and translate the prompt. Of course, I do this in German most of the time because I want to reach German customers or clients for my business. But here's the English version. So let me read this for you real quick. So prospect for 30 small businesses in the e-commerce niche in New York with poor SEO performance. Use ethical methods only. Search public directories, Google, and business listings sites like Yelp, Yellow Pages for potential leads for each business. Analyze their website for issues like load times over 3 seconds, missing meta tags, low mobile friendliness, or poor keyword optimization, extract only public data, business names, website URLs, contact emails, and 2 to 3 sentences summary of SEO flaws. Then complete the lead, put it all into an CSV file. And then we have here, once the leads are compiled, generate a personalized outreach email. So, and then, the AI agent will create a personalized outreach email for each client they have identified through the Google research or to the Yelp research or Yellow Pages research. And then, the AI agent will generate the optimized email outreach text. So then the next is, once the lead are compiled, generate personalized outreach emails for each valid lead, make email professional under 200 words, highlight 2 to 3 SEO issues, and so on and so forth. Then we have here we have here the call to action that the potential client scheduled a 15-minute SEO audit. We can put in our link here, Calendly, or whatever booking stuff you are using, or they should answer to the email, but you get the idea. Then the AI agents here should write the TXT file with all the emails and so on. And here it's getting interesting. So here we are telling the AI agents that they should create an own Python code for email sending. So this is this is definitely better than using an external email client, AOL or Gmail or something like this. So we simply put in our email address and then the SMTP server and our password, and then the AI agents are able to send the email. And I think this is perfect, because we don't have to do anything. So all the work is done for us here. And maybe, let's say, a client is interested in our services, then they will call us or book a meeting with us or send us an email or something like this. And then, of course, we can take over. But the boring part then is what the AI agents will do for us. And this is, I think, this is perfect. How AI agents can help us make more money online or help us with our business. And then, of course, the emails get sent out. And the good thing with Agent Zero, let me show you this as well. We can schedule tasks. So here you can see we have chats, the normal chat window, and we have tasks. So this means we can set, for example, this as a daily task, so that the AI agent should pull new potential clients every day at a specific time. We can schedule this, and then this process of finding 30 leads, for example, will get done every day at a specific time. And so we don't have to worry about anything. So that means that our AI agents are searching for 30 or whatever number you give them here for number of new businesses, and send out the new cold outreach emails. And this is really great. And now I want to show you another text for another business. So then let me show you a different use case or a different niche. So I think not every one of us are SEO experts or want to create websites for potential clients. Then I have a different business use case for you here. But of course, you can use this for any kind of business. If you are a software developer, if you have a real estate business, or if you can use this. Then for example, I think the key benefits are always the same. So for example, identify prospects. Of course, yeah, first of all, the AI agent or must search for the right prospects for us. So search for businesses or individuals matching specific criteria. For example, outdated tech, poor online presence, or specific demographics, or anything other you can imagine or you want to filter. Then analyze needs, evaluate websites, social media, or public data to pinpoint pain points relevant to the service offered. Then automate outreach, generate and send personalized emails, social media messages, or reports to engage leads. And of course, yeah, you don't have to have sent emails. You can use the AI agents to create and publish social media posts, send other types of messages. Yeah, you can use this AI agent for everything you want. And then here I have a use case, for example, for a CRM software provider. So the use case: CRM software company targets real estate agents with inefficient lead management to pitch tailored CRM solutions. Business impact: automate lead discovery, could produce 20 to 50 leads weekly within 5 to 15%, converting to $100 to $500 per month subscriptions. And here is the prompt. So of course, yeah, here's the same. You can, of course, you have to modify the prompt to your specific needs, to your company, and also, yeah, to the business or the prospect you are targeting. Prospect for 30 real estate agents in Miami with inefficient lead management. Use ethical methods, search LinkedIn, Zillow, and public directories for agents. So yeah, you can give them, of course, any other platform. If you want the AI agent to only search on Google, you can do this. You can give the task to only search on LinkedIn, Zillow. You get the idea. Then check their websites or X profiles for signs of poor lead handling, no CRM integration, manual contact forms, or complaints about missed leads. Extract public data, name, agent, website URL, if any, contact email from website or profile, respect robot TXT, and a 2 to 3 sentence summary, so on. And yeah, then we want to generate, here's the same, we want to generate the summary or the outreach emails. And yeah, then yeah, the next step is that our AI agent will find everything for us. We can schedule this as a daily task or a weekly task or whatever you want, and then our AI agents will do the task that we gave them, and yeah, then they will execute the task. And yeah, at the end of the day, everyone is happy. We don't have to do the manual outreach process anymore. The AI agents will handle all the outreach process for us. Then the prospect or the potential clients will contact us, and from there on, we are taking over. And yeah, I think this is a really great way how you can use AI agents or AI agent platforms in order to generate more money, to bring your business forward, and yeah, to generate more leads and so on and so forth. Yeah, I will put, like I said, I will put the whole document. I will put this also in the video description down below. So the video description, you definitely have to go to the video description. There are all the informations. You can see, yeah, this document here, and then you will see the link to the website and also to the video or the GitHub page where you can see how this works, and also to my video where I explain how you install this. And yeah, then you can use this, you can play around with this. So if you use, for example, DeepSeek as your large language model, then it's really cheap. So DeepSeek is in my opinion, a really good large language model, which can handle all the tasks, which can write the necessary programs, the email programs, create the outreach emails and so on. And yeah, then you can do this. And yeah, so of course, yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think about this. Do you have any other ways to use AI agents for making money online or helping your business grow? I would love to read this in the comments. And also, yeah, if you like the video, then yeah, please give the video a thumbs up. And also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I am a small creator, and yeah, from me, every thumbs up, every like, or every subscription helps. And also, please let me know in the comments down below if you want to have any specific information about AI agents. What are you interested in? What kind of videos I should make about AI agents, if you want to learn something specific about different AI agent platforms or AI agent use cases. I would love to read in the comments. And yeah, I think that's it for the video. Now you know exactly how this works, how AI agents can help you, yeah, grow your business and make more money online. And yeah, that's it for the video. So then if you like the video, then please press the thumbs up button, and also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, though, then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.